Hello everyone, I am Sanya and I'm a data analyst. I'm here to tell you what courses to opt to become an analyst. Now, in my previous video, I told you what skills are required to become one. Today, I'll be telling what courses you should opt and from where you should opt to become an analyst. Udemy and Coursera are the websites that will help you attain all these skills. Coursera has lot of professional companies which have curated a lot of courses and they give certification also. Udemy has lot of data scientists, analysts which have made courses which will give you deep knowledge of the course and the subject and the tools. So let's start what all courses we should start with. So the first course that I'll recommend for you is SQL for data analyst and business intelligence. You can get this from Udemy. Now these people tell you how to work with database management system, write SQL queries with create, delete, select. They'll also tell you how to write views, joins, functions. These are the very basics that analysts should know. Other than that, one thing they tell you is how to connect SQL with Tableau. They have 5 tasks for you to do this exercise. Also, they have come up with 10 questionnaire session that from which you can prepare SQL, and this course is created by 365 Careers. These people are very good. I personally like them. I will recommend you to follow them on YouTube. They have amazing things, videos curated in YouTube also. You can offer this course in Indian rupees. It is 4480. I have one more course for SQL for you that comes in Coursera. Database and SQL for data science with Python. The difference between these courses are, of course, this course tells you how to work with Python. Other than basics, how to connect with, other than basics, how to write the queries of SQL, insert, delete, select, joins, everything. This course also tells you how to connect your database with Python, how to create tables on Python, fetch data, everything that can be done with Python. I go to syllabus part of this. These are the things that you can get from the first course also. This is the thing that I personally like about them. Accessing database using Python. So they'll help you connect your database with Python in Jupyter Notebook. They'll help you to create tables, load data, query data using SQL, and analyze data using Python. So this whole process is called ETL, and ETL is very important for a data analyst in our profession. So you can offer any one of this course. It is up to you. The difference I've already told you. One has Tableau, one has Python. Now next course that I have for you is Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool. Many companies use other tools also for data visualization. That can be Power BI, Google Analytics, and there are various now. It depends on you if you want to take it up this course, if your company uses such a tool. Now you can attain this from Udemy. What all this course tells you is, first of all, how to install Tableau, why data visualization is important. They tell you what are the data types it is being used, what is level of detail in Tableau, what are maps and locations and how to use them in Tableau. There are a lot of type of joins that you could do in this tool. Also, lot of various calculations, advanced calculations that are required to be done in Tableau, you can learn from here. This course tells you lot of examples that you can practice, and you can add this in your resume also. So you can create a dashboard or a story out of it, publish it in tableaupublic.com, and you can add such dashboards in your resume also. Now next course that I have for you is Statistics for Data Science and Business Analysts. This course is curated by 365 Careers. Statistics is very important in our profession. This topic tells you how to start perceiving data. This is a very fundamental topic that any data analyst should know, must know, and it is mandatory to know. Now let's see what all we can learn from it. This tells you what is a sample or population data. This is a fundamental thing. Then they tell you what is numerical variables and what are categorical variables, and these are some type of charts that you can learn here. Central tendency. What is this? What does it acquire? What is skewness, standard deviation? This is a very basic things in statistics. Whenever you get data, data will be little skewed or there will be little deviations. What are these things and how to do EDA with these things, it is very important to know. After this, we have distributions. What type of distribution a data has? Sometimes it's a normally distributed graph, sometimes it is little skewed, so the normalness of distribution goes away. There are standard errors in it. This is what it all tells about. Now, the little advanced topic that we have is confidence interval. What is confidence interval and how to perceive it, how it is important in any data that we work with. After that, I'll be opening everything that they have. After that, they have hypothesis testing. There are a lot of type of testing that we do in data. How to do it, what are the errors that they can come with it, and how can we play with it. Now the next important topic that they are telling is regression analysis. Regression analysis and what are assumptions that are be taken. Whenever we get a data, we usually perform regression analysis or the advanced thing in it. So this is very fundamental things that they are telling. I think it is very important to know all the fundamentals, then only you can move to the advanced topics. These people have covered all the fundamentals that is required. I think this is a must course. You shouldn't miss this course. Maybe if you know SQL, Tableau and other courses that I recommend, you should start first with this course. This will help you a lot. Now this is last skill set that you should have as a data analyst, and this course is good and must. That is Python. So I have two courses for you in Python. Depends on you what would you like to take in. First is Learn Python Programming Masterclass. This is what it tells you. So this tells you how is the world of Python going, how you start with Python, what are the flow control, if, else, while, if these are the conditions, list and tuples, what are the data types basically in Python that we use. They tell you OOPS concept in Python. It is very important concept that one should know. And now what all you should work in Python, how to work with data, play with data, everything is told here. Other than that, I have another course also for you in Python. Now if you aspire to become a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, this course will really help you to do that. In data analyst, you have to play with data, do data visualization with Python also, and make analysis and new insights with Python. So this course will help you do that. So I'll tell you what all things is benefited from this course. First of all, they tell you how to work with pandas and NumPy. These are important libraries. They tell you how to work with Matplotlib and Seaborn. This is used for data visualization. You create very beautiful graphs via it, and this you can use in your presentation. The advanced topic that these people have are these. What is clustering, decision trees, random trees, logistic regression, NLP, deep learning, recommended system. These are the topics. If you want to become a machine learning engineer, you can learn that. But for an analyst, these above topics are very good to learn, and this is a must course. I have gone through this course and I personally like it. It is created by Joe Sportilla. I follow him on YouTube. He's good enough. You can offer this course. These were the courses that you can learn from Udemy and Coursera. These are the basics and fundamentals an analyst should always have, should know. These are not much costly. You can spend 4 to 5,000 rupees per month in Udemy and Coursera. Let's go with the drill. Please like my video, comment what would you like to see more. I have made my first video, how to become a data analyst. You can start with it and then come to this course. You can connect me on LinkedIn also for further questions or queries. Thank you.